So as we've talked, this week we only have 4 days of school. So why not do something a little bit fun? This week we are going to start our very first passion project. So I want you to start thinking about, what are you super passionate about? This week we are going to focus on a science passion. So I want you to look at the topics that are on the board right now: force and motion and habitats, animals, electricity, weather, natural disasters, the human body, any of those things. I want you to find something on that screen that looks, or on that list, that looks like something that you love. Something that you're passionate about means that you are very interested in it. You may know some about it, but you want to know more. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video, and I want you to look over the list, maybe talk it over with a brother, sister, mom, dad, whomever might be there, and I want you to choose one of those topics. So pause the video now and choose your topic. Great. Now that you have chosen your topic, we are going to talk about how to get started. Today, we're going to get started on our passion project. So the first thing that I want you to do on your paper, and I have sent this to you, I want you to make sure that you put your name at the top, and then I want you to think of a question that you have about your topic. So I'm going to give you an example. One thing that I'm passionate about that I want to know more about are tornadoes. So I want to know, how do tornadoes form? So in this question box, I am going to type, how do tornadoes form? Another part of that I'm going to ask is, how do they keep moving? So I have a couple of questions around that, and I'm going to make sure that they are inside of this box. Then I'm going to begin thinking about, how will I gather information about my questions? So as I look over here, the second part is the research. So I'm going to circle what I need to do, or what I'm going to use to be able to answer those questions. So one thing that I know I'm going to use is the computer, because I'm going to need to research online about tornadoes. Another thing that I'm going to use are books. So I'm going to also circle books, because books are something that can give me great information about a tornado. So for today, this is all we're going to do. Tomorrow, I will be talking to you more about what the Passion Project will include and how you're going to do it. So make sure you have that topic chosen, make sure you have your questions asked, and that you know what type of research you are going to need to do.